Hey, I'm Helena. I run a travel blog on Squarespace with over 1.6 million yearly page views, and I've been using Squarespace for about 5 years for myself and for clients. So the aim of this channel is to share clear, step-by-step tutorials to help you blog confidently on Squarespace. So let's jump in. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Squarespace website and how to set up your blog pages to start your blog off on the right foot. So when you go into your website, you'll be greeted with your starting page and you need to go to your actual website and then click Pages. Here you'll see your main navigation and your Not Linked section. So this is the section we're going to add a blog to. So you click this plus and you get this pop-up window. On the left-hand side, if you scroll down, you've got this showcase section. So if you want to add a portfolio, a gallery, maybe you're a photographer, but you can also add a blog. And it's up to you how you want to format this blog. If you are a photographer, you might choose something that is more photo focused like these ones. For me, I'm a combination of photos, but also text. So I'm going to pick this one because you also get a little preview excerpt of the blog post as well. But whichever template you use is absolutely fine. I'm going to nickname it travel blog because that's what I do. And it automatically opens up this part of your travel blog. You don't need any selling tools for now. Here you can see these sample blog posts. So really already these are set up to show you how you can format a blog post. We don't need these because this isn't part of your website. So you can just delete all of these. Okay, so now you have an empty travel blog. Hit this plus button and you've automatically generated your first post. And I'm going to do a separate video on formatting each blog post individually, but Squarespace is really great at showing you how to format things from the get-go. So already here you can see there is an H1 heading, which is what all of your titles should be, and then a space to start writing here. So I'm just going to pop part of one of my first blog posts in here. I've just copied and pasted this from Google Docs, which is why it's got all of the extra spacing in here. So I can fix that. And then title of the post can go into here. There we go. So you can hit save on that and exit. And already you can see that this draft, it's labeled as a draft here. This is your first blog post. So these three dots under settings, you can add a featured image. So that's what's going to show up in your blog directory in the page that we just saw. I'm just going to add a random image in really quickly. So you've added that image, and under options, you can add your categories, your tags. If you want comments on or off here, any SEO or social sharing information all goes in here. And the content itself here is where you can edit the URL. I'm going to change it to that. I'm going to hit save. And in the post itself, I'm ready to go. So I'm going to hit publish. Once that's published, when you go to that blog that you created, here is that first image for that blog page. So the more blogs you create, you're going to see more of those featured on that blog page. So it almost becomes a gallery of your blogs where people can see this bit of text, which is the header, and you can also add an excerpt. They can click here and read more. So that's it. That's how to blog to your Squarespace. If you have any questions about this or if any other topics that you want me to cover, let me know in the comments down below. And if this video was helpful, make sure you hit like and subscribe.